Welcome back to the channel here, guys. My name is Christopher from Cars Unlocked, and we are your go-to channel for Nissan content. Now, we are going to show you today what the Nissan Intelligent Cruise Control is, how to use it, and how it works. So if you just purchased a Nissan vehicle and your car is equipped with this system, let's get into it so you can learn everything you need before you hit the roads. Now, guys, before we begin, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel. If you own a Nissan, we have a lot of tutorials on how to use things like how to set up your Android Auto, remote starter, garage door opener. They're all on our channel. You can search them up and go find them. But let's talk about the Intelligent Cruise Control. We are going to jump on the highway here, and this is mainly, you're going to use this system pretty much when you're on the highway. 99% of times, not really recommended to use it when you're driving in the city. Basically, it will keep you a safe distance from the car in front of you, and you can set your car lengths for how far you want to be once it's activated. But you set your cruise control system, and then you can set it from 1 to 2 to 3 car lengths for you as you approach cars. If a car is ahead of you going slower, you don't have to decelerate. If a car's ahead of you moving faster, you don't have to accelerate. All right, so we're on the highway here. We're up to our cruising speed, about 100 kilometers an hour. I'm just gonna turn on my cruise control and I'm gonna hit set. And then I can see on my screen, it's showing me that it's staying 3 car lengths from behind. I can set it to 2 car lengths or 1 car length. I like 2 car lengths. I find 3 is a little too far. People kind of cut you off, and 1 is a little too slow. So we are going to approach this vehicle. You can see we're going about 120 right now. And as we approach this car in front of us, it's actually going to decelerate. So now the car is decelerating to keep me that 2 car lengths from this truck ahead of us. So really good. You can kind of just lock it in, take your foot off the gas pedal and relax. Just pay attention to the road and stay centered in the lane, and everything is kosher. Now, you can also use the buttons to accelerate and decelerate. There's a plus and minus right on your wheel. So if you want to increase the speed that your cruise control is set at, just hit the plus button. If you want to decrease the speed without touching the pedal, just hit the decelerate. So it's really easy to accelerate and decelerate. So that's a wrap on your video, guys. Do you guys have questions about the Intelligent Cruise Control? That's me showing you. Hopefully we helped you get a feel for it. If you guys have questions, put them in the comments below. And like I said, for other Nissan tutorials, please check them out. I'm going to put a bunch in the description below, and we'll see you in the next one.